Good afternoon, Bicolandia, and to all the volleyball enthusiasts na talaga namang nakatutok sa atin live na live sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. It's our quarterfinals match between the NCF Tigers and the CBSUA Buffaloes. So makakasama niyo po kami ulit. My name is Rick Puerte and beside me is Cali Francisco to give latest update para sa volleyball happenings dito sa Bucal.
Good afternoon, Bicolandia, and again, welcome dito sa NCF Covered Court para sa first day of quarterfinals ng men's category. At maya-maya nga lamang, makikita natin kung sino nga ba ang mananaig between the Buffaloes and the Tigers na makakapasok sa semifinals next week.
Ayan, both teams, I know, nag-prepare itong dalawa because itong NCF Tiger, our defending champion, kontra dito sa ating CBSUA Buffalo na recently lang sumali dito sa Bucal Season 6. So I'm so excited sa ipapakitang performance ng dalawang kupunan na ito. A little bit of pressure for both sides because nasa quarterfinals na nga tayo, Kelly. Pero aabangan natin maya-maya ang pagbabakbakan ng dalawang kupunan na ito. Let's see kung mag-aabot ba tayo sa 5th set. Yan ang aabangan natin dito.
Well, hindi malabo yun, Rick. However, dito naman sa side ng Buffalo, it's their second year joining the Bucal men's and women's volleyball. And syempre, talagang siguradong dikdikan ng laban considering that ang mga kalaban nila ngayon ay ang ating defending champion. Pero syempre, as we all know, bilog ang bola, we will never know what will happen later on, Rick. So as we see right now on the screen, of course, the warm-up of the both teams. At syempre, lais lang po nating pasalamatan ang lahat po na nanonood sa atin ngayon dito sa ating live stream sa official Facebook page ng GNN TV 48 Naga at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And syempre po, this Bucal Men's and Women's Volleyball is presented by Naga College Foundation Incorporated, Gold Gloffa Construction, Lemon Residences, NCF Wings, Naga Travel and Tours, NCF V Gallery and Museum, Tigers Cafe 3, NCF Indoor Firing Range, NCF Training Pool, NCF Driving School, and special thanks to Wow Worlds of Water, NCF TRC, Ako Bicol Party List, Angena Trading, Surge Fitness Lifestyle, and Angel's Pizza. Maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta sa Bucal Men's and Women's Volleyball.
Ayan, Kelly, I'm sure mapa-live stream man, meron pa rin manunood because this is an exciting match between these two teams. So, sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-follow and subscribe sa GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, ano po pong hinihintay nyo para lagi tayong updated sa mga basketball or volleyball happenings dito sa Bucal Season 6. So, maya-maya sa mga comments, mag-shoutout tayo, Kelly. So, tutok lamang sa ating live coverage ngayong araw na ito.
And of course, Rick, we cannot wait to watch out this both teams. Talagang sure naman akong ipapakita nila yung magandang laro maya-maya lamang sa simula ng ating game.
Ayan, Kelly, pag-usapan naman natin ang dalawang kupunan. Una muna dito sa NCF Tigers, they are the defending champion. So, again, andito yung eagerness to defend their title dito sa Bucal Season 6. So, sa tingin mo, sino ang mag-step up dito sa mga players on the side of the NCF Tigers, knowing na meron na rin nag-graduate ditong mga seniors, but still, malakas pa rin sila dito sa ating liga. So, ano ba ang aabangan at sino dito ang aabangan natin manonood?
Well, you know what, it's a very unpredictable talking about the NCF Tigers kasi nga, these players, even their second stringers, alam mo, kaya talagang pumuntos, kayang mag-contribute sa team na to. However, syempre, I'm really excited to see yung pagbabalik ng kanilang playing, of course, setter na si Owarde, di ba?
Yes.
Last year, we did not see him playing on the side of the NCF Tigers, but right now, makikita natin siya on wearing his jersey and back right now. And syempre, aside from that, we also have their attackers, especially their middle blocker. We have Gerald Perit na naglaro din for the University of the East na talagang kinuha siya as an import. And the rest of the teams as well as, syempre abangan din natin ang kanilang defensive patterns, ang kanilang defense. We have their very reliable liberos as well as their seniors. We have Kapukaw right there. Syempre, Rick, dito naman sa side ng CBSUA Buffaloes, syempre new faces. Last year, as far as I remember, or as far as I know, if I'm not mistaken, last year they represented the CBSUA from Pili.
Yes.
But right now, majority of the players are from Pasacao, Camarines Sur.
New players and new gameplay para dito sa CBSUA Buffaloes. Nabanggit mga dito na itong CBSUA. Pangalawang taon pa lang sa pagsali dito sa ating Bucal League. But again, nagpapakitang gilas at ipinapakilala ang kanilang school because it's not about their passion in volleyball. It's about their pride din sa kanilang school. So, this is great opportunity for them na maipakilala itong CBSUA Buffaloes Pili man or sa Pasacao. So I'm so excited with these players looking at your screen. New faces nga ang sinabi mo. So bigyan mo naman kami dito, Kelly, ng konting information kung sino ba dito yung nag-step up knowing na taga Pasacao ka din. So I'm sure marami kang kilala on their side.
Yeah, actually Rick, most of the players of CBSUA Buffaloes are actually, I play with them a lot. Pero syempre, alam kong they will contribute naman on their team. However, guys, watch out for Carl Boras, jersey number 1 from CBSUA Buffaloes. You know, when it comes to attacks, his elevation is actually, it's superb, and we will see later on.
Yes.
Also, they're playing setter. We have Elton Pasimio, who is actually Rick, Elton Pasimio, his original position is not a setter. He is actually an open spiker. However, let's see later on kung ano yung defense mechanism and pattern na gagawin nila mamaya sa kanilang team. And also, their open spiker na si Vida from San Fernando na alam mo talagang magagaling na bata at syempre, the future is there. Talagang makikita mo talaga na gagalingan nila maya-maya lamang.
Ayan, I'm so excited sa mga nabanggit mong players on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes na I'm sure magpapakitang gilas this afternoon. And speaking of CBSUA Buffaloes, to know more about their team, let's call our courtside reporter on their side, Dylan. Anong balita dyan at sino ang makakasama natin?
Thank you, Rick and Kelly. So, hello, Bicol Angela. This is Bucal Season 6 Men's Volleyball-Quarterfinals. I am Dylan Talagdag at ako ang maghahatid sa inyo ng updates on the side of CBSUA Buffaloes. So, last matchup, the CBSUA showed us that they have something to offer at nagtataglay rin sila ng husay at galing sa loob ng court. So, here with me is the coach of CBSUA, Coach Esmante Harris. So good afternoon. So for this quarterfinal, sir, ano po ba yung preparations or any adjustment ng CBSUA for this matchup?
Yeah, good afternoon everyone. We have seen our weakness during the match against Biscas, against BU, and tinatry namin na ma-overcome yung aming mga weakness. We have a series of training na kung saan ay aming tinitingnan, minamaximize yung skill ng aming player, kung paano magkaroon kami ng solid defense, lalo na yung sa net namin kasi medyo mahina kami sa net. Yes.
So, gaano kakumpiyansa ho ba kayo, coach, na maipapanalo ng team CBSUA Buffaloes ang laban against NCF Tigers?
Actually, it's a bit challenging kasi this week is our examination, midterm exam. Pero nandyan yung dedication ng aming mga player. Nagkakaisa kami in preparation for these big games against NCF. So, makita natin mamaya kung ano yung preparation ng CBSUA. Basta for sure, we are prepared for this battle against NCF.
Coach, any message to your supporters po?
Yeah, for our supporters, for the Bucal supporters, I would like to invite you all to watch the Bucal, especially today, the CBSUA Buffalo against NCF Tigers. Alam ko na maraming talent ang ating mga youth sa ngayon, so I'm inviting you to come para ma-inspired kayo. And sana maging hilig nyo rin ang larong volleyball.
Thank you, Coach, and good luck po. So ayun nga, that CBSUA Buffaloes are ready to fight against NCF Tigers and they are willing to give their best. Yan ang ating tututukan dito lang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Dylan, for that update. And of course, You can see the dedication talaga, Rick, of these players. It's their examination this week. However, syempre naglaan sila ng oras for training in order to play well later on dito sa laro natin ngayon. At syempre, maya-maya nga lamang, makikilala naman natin ang ating mga kasamang courtside reporter on the side of the NCF Tigers. But right now, pasalamatan muna natin ang mga nanonood sa atin sa live stream at sa ating live viewers dito sa NCF Covered Court. At maya-maya lamang, masusubaybayan na natin ang laro ng dalawang kupunan. It's the game between the Buffalo and the Tigers sa pagbabalik lamang yan ng Bucal Season 6 Men's and Women's Volleyball dito lamang sa GNN TV 48 Naga at Oragon Sports TV Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ako si Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor, kasurog kang kaligasan, Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
At the heart of every dreamer lies a future of limitless possibilities.
At Naga College Foundation, we understand the journey. With proper guidance, inclusive community, and state-of-the-art facilities, your dreams can become a reality. We are a training ground for future innovators, where quality education continues to thrive and service meets excellence. We develop students for more than a career. We equip them with the right skills and attitude to leap into a future of limitless possibilities. Your future is waiting. All you have to do is to begin. Meet your future self and choose NCF.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our students learn hands-on with industry-standard software. Our program also offers high-quality facility. Discover your path to success in accountancy and finance at Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Be a certified CAF Tiger.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard.
And we're back on the hard court. Again, it's the battle between the CBSUA Buffaloes versus the NCF Tigers. At kanina nga, nakita natin on the warm-up of the CBSUA, and according to their coach na they really worked hard for it right now considering that they have their examination. Pero let's see maya-maya lamang on how they will be able to handle this game between the NCF Tigers. And as you can see on the screen, it's the NCF Tigers taking their warm-up at maraming players ang aabangan dito. New faces, and also I think they have new plays na gagawin, napapakita mamaya since this is their quarterfinals right now. But ngayon naman, pakinggan naman natin ang court reporter ng NCF Tigers at sino nga ba ang kanya mga kasama or any update naman dyan sa side ng NCF Tigers. Pakinggan natin ngayon. Zai, any update there?
Magandang hapon, Rick and Kelly. Narito na nga tayo sa Season 6 of the Men's Volleyball Edition of Bucal. Andito nga tayo sa Naga College Foundation covered court at napakainit nga ng weather, but it seems like we are about to witness a whole lot of heat sa loob ng court. At para nga malaman ang mga mangyayari or masusunod na mangyayari dito sa loob ng court, narito tayo at kasama ang assistant coach ng NCF Tigers. We have here Coach Sal. Magandang hapon sa iyo, Coach Sal. So ano naman ang ating game plan para sa first quarter ng quarterfinals dito sa NCF ngayong season?
Yung kung game plan, nag-stick lang kami sa system namin, knowing yung mga inalam namin yung mga tendencies ng kalaban. Siyempre, knowing papasok na tayo sa end, kailangan namin mag-end ng mataas. So, yung ginawa namin is spot lang namin yung strength and weakness ng kalaban namin.
Pagdating naman sa line-up, medyo madami tayong panibagong players para sa season ng Bucal, am I right? So ano yung mga challenges na na-encounter nyo para sa season 6 ng Bucal?
Siguro kung challenge, yung i-incorporate yung junior sa senior. Pero so far wala naman masyadong naging abala sa amin since one system lang yung sinusunod from senior and junior. So wala naman masyadong gaanong naging adjustment yung pag-gel lang ng team from junior and senior.
And you know, napakahirap na makapasok sa quarter or the semifinals of the Men's Volleyball Edition. So ano naman yung pinaka-memorable na journey nyo so far here sa ating quarterfinal?
Siguro yung pinaka-memorable journey namin is kung paano kami bumabangon. Every game na kung ano man yung nagiging resulta ng game is ina-accept namin ng buong buo and ina-adjust namin. Yung recent na pagkatalo namin parang naging open, naging bukas isip siya sa amin na mas kailangan pa namin pag-igihan since nga mas madaming team yung mas umaangat. And yung pressure na as a champion, hindi namin siya masyadong iniisip so far. Ina-enjoy lang namin kasi yun mas gusto namin ibigay sa mga players, yung mag-enjoy sila at yung learnings na makukuha nila dito sa tournament na to.
Maraming salamat, Coach Shal. There we have it, the assistant coach of the NCF Tigers. And would you like to invite the NCF community to support our team sa laro nila ngayong araw?
First of all, I would like to thank the NCF community for unending support sa amin, sa team namin. And gusto po namin na kayo i-invite na supportahan yung NCF Tigers sa journey na ito. And yun lang po. Thank you so much.
Maraming salamat, Coach Shal. There we have it, everyone. And it seems like maraming preparation ng NCF Tigers para sa laro nila today. As Coach Shal mentioned, medyo incorporated ang seniors and juniors division ng kanilang volleyball team. Yeah, we have a lot of more to witness only here on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga kampiyon. This is Shulomar Zaminiano from the side of the NCF Tigers. Balik sa inyo, Kelly and Ray.
Ayan, thank you so much, Zai, for that update and sa assistant coach on the side of NCF Tigers. So, napakinggan nga natin dito. That's why meron po kayong nakikitang mga unfamiliar faces because this NCF team is composed of their juniors and seniors volleyball team. So, this is a new challenge for the NCF Tigers kung paano magja-jive itong dalawang kupunan na ito or rather itong dalawang cluster na ito with their seniors and juniors. At yun nga, nabanggit dito ng kanilang assistant coach na yung nangyaring talo nila against the UNC Greyhounds, an eye-opener for their team to stand up really well para ma-defend ang kanilang title dito sa Bucal. So again, nabanggit nga natin dito, bilog ang bola. So anything can happen dito sa loob ng ating hardcourt. So yan ang aabangan natin dito sa bakbakan ng CBSUA Buffaloes versus the NCF Tigers. At yun nga, magsisimula na ang first set between these two teams. Papakilala na ang ating mga officials and of course, tutok lamang po tayo sa ating live coverage ng Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And also, thank you so much sa mga presence ng audiences dito sa loob ng NCF covered court. Yan nga, nasabi dito, unending support at kitang-kita nga natin dito na may mga fans itong ating NCF. Talagang bigay suporta, bigay todo sa pagsuporta dito sa mga Tigre. And on the other side naman, we have the fans on the side of CBSUA Buffaloes na talaga namang bumiyahe pa dito para masaksihan itong quarterfinals match between these two great teams.
Yes, Rick, as you can see on the screen, the first 6 of the both teams at dito nga sa side ng CBSUA Buffaloes, as we can see right now, Elton Pasimio is their starting opposite spiker while Boras will be the first opener. Kanto sila ng team captain na si Vida. And dito naman sa side ng NCF Tigers, still their seniors, Kapukaw is there, Nero is there, and of course the back player of NCF na si Owarde. And that is a service error. Unang error dito ng CBSUA Buffaloes, puntos for the NCF Tigers.
Ito rin yung kailangang iwasan dito ng both teams, their unforced error, because we know na magaling na talaga itong dalawang kupunan. Magkakatalo na lamang dito sa mga unforced error. And now, 2 straight unforced error on the side of CBSUA Buffaloes. This is not a good start on their side, knowing nakatapat nila dito is yung NCF Tigers. So they really need to minimize those errors. Owarde setting up in the middle. Ball is still alive. Free ball coming from Pamplona. Santiago setting up Boras. And Boras with that powerful attack. Nabanggit mo nga dito kanina, Kelly, itong si Boras on the side of Buffaloes. Talagang aabangan natin dito. Una pa lang, nagpakawala na siya ng isang malakas na atake. And let's see kung magiging consistent pa siya dito.
That's true, Rick. And as you can see right now, kanina nga with that play, gandang laro. But dito naman, what a combination play for the NCF Tigers. Point of Kapukaw. Talagang, the blockers of CBSUA Buffaloes, talagang nalinlang sila dito with that play.
What a great play on the side of NCF. And now, Seaman serving that one. And 2 straight points for him. Wow. Early start or good start para dito kay Kapukaw. on the side of Tigers, former team captain on their side. Santiago setting up.
Pasimio, and that's a point for the Buffaloes. That's what I mentioned earlier, Rick, that this ito si Elton Pasimio originally from the opener. He's an open spiker. And nakita naman natin on that play that what an effective spiker for the side of Buffalo.
Pero on their previous match, ginawa itong setter. Wow.
Yeah.
Grabe naman yung kakayahan dito nitong si Pasimio. But on the last play, Pamplona with that sharp cross-court hit.
What a tall players on the side of the NCF Tigers, Rick. We can see on our screen, we have Perit, Pamplona, and Katubig as their open spiker. But right now, Santiago in the middle. Good save. Boras. Good save by Santiago. Now, Kapuka with the receive. To the middle, and a point for Perit.
Wow, let's see one more time on that replay. Good hustle though on the side of CBSUA, but again, nabigla sila on that A-quick on the side of NCF Tigers. Now, NCF Tigers slowly building their momentum here. Kailangan na ditong bumawi nitong CBSUA. And I think ito na yung start with that error on the side of NCF. 6-3 on our score.
You know what, Rick? If we will talk about the unforced errors, talagang hindi maiwasan dito ng NCF Tigers when it comes to their service. Kasi syempre, sobrang lalakas ng mga batang to. But right now, with the dig, good save. Chance for the Tigers.
What a great defense. Now, Buffaloes on the attack. Vida breaks down the wall.
A good point for Vida. 2 blockers. But still, naggiba yung palong, yung block na yon sa palo dito ni Vida. You know what? Dito sa side naman ng Buffalo, maraming magaling talagang pumalo. And let's see if they will be an effective one. But now, chance for the opposite. Hulog. Uwarde to the opposite. And a point by Pamplona.
Ayan, kitang-kita on our instant replay on his own version of breaking down the wall. Wow, talagang aabangan natin, Kelly, itong dalawang kupunan na ito.
And also, Rick, am I saying it right now that Pamplona is an opposite spiker on the side of the NCF?
Wow, this is a great balasa of position and at the same time, new game plan. And very effective naman at this moment on the side of NCF. So talagang napakaganda nung inaral dito on the side of NCF Tigers na sinabi nga dito ng kanilang assistant coach.
Now on the service line, we have Pamplona.
Good serve. And now Santiago to Vida. And Vida delivers. Wow. An exchange of powerful hits for both teams. Yan nga talaga dito yung kaabang-abang between these two teams. We cannot tell kung kanino mapupunta ang panalong ito.
What an amazing clippings there for Vida. Now Awarde, but a long shot. No check ball for Perit. Point for the Buffaloes. It's 8-6 right now, and we are seeing now serving on the Buffaloes. We have Elton Pasimio.
And now, let's see kung anong gagawing pagbawi dito ng Tigers. Pipe attack, great dig on the side of Buffaloes. Too tight with that set. But
Good
the ball is
save.
still alive. Wow! Wow!
Wow!
A bounce ball, Kelly.
Binawi dito, Rick.
Ayan, Kelly, kitang-kita on our screen. What a powerful hit coming from Perit. So it's not new para dito kay Perit. Kitang-kita nga natin on his play doon sa sa UE. Yung kinuha nga siya is kitang-kita kung gaano nag-deliver tong maganda si Perit. So I'm so excited sa ipapakita pa nitong batang ito. Meanwhile, Buffaloes catching up on the side of their team.
Dalawa na lamang kalamangan dito. Combination play by Bucal. What an amazing hit coming from the Tigers. You know, etong seniors na, it's his last playing year.
Yes.
Right now, and talagang all out na dito si Bucal, and now serving on the side of the NCF Tigers, Gerald Perit.
So 2 times nang ginawa yung play na yon on the side of NCF. So yun ang aabangan dapat dito ng CBSUA with their defense. Vida naman, too much angle on that spike, and with that, 11-7 is our score. Again, CBSUA, they need to minimize their error if they want to lessen the gap at this moment. Perit one more time. Santiago to Vida, and Vida again and again.
What a set coming from Santiago.
Look at that back set. At saktong-sakto din yung approach ni Vida. That's why nakakuha siya dito ng puntos. Great serve. But 1-2 play by Owarde. 12-8. Hindi talaga ako nagkamali kaya palitan dito ng malalakas na palo between these two teams.
Obviously, Rick, they prepared for this one since it's the quarterfinals. It's a do or die for them.
Boras with his left hand. And Bucal.
Deflected. Now Santiago to Boras. Another deflection on that side. Oh,
Long
what the end of
rally.
middle!
I thought long rally na yun, Kelly, on the side on these both teams. But again,
what an amazing
unpredictable,
players we have, Rick. Talagang kaabang-abang ang larong ito ngayon. It's 13-8 in favor of the NCF Tigers. Now still on the service line, Owarde.
Great variation of play para kay Owarde. And now, to his opposite, but an attack error. Or rather,
point for the NCF Tigers.
check ball, I think.
Check ball,
Ah, yes.
called by the referee.
And now, patuloy na umaarangkada dito ang Tigre. Owarde one more time on deck to serve. Great serve. That's why Boras will give up a free ball. Owarde back set to Pamplona, but an attack error.
Over-calculated hit there. And now we'll be seeing change players for the Buffaloes. 3, Rico in. 15 Santiago out for the CBSUA Buffalo.
So itong si Rico galing ito sa
Main
Pili,
campus,
yeah,
yeah.
sa main campus because nakita natin siya last season. And let's see kung magkakaroon ba dito ng magandang impact itong si Rico on the side of their team.
Warde, but blocked by Boras.
Great rejection on the side of CBSUA. Again, ang panlaban talaga sa malalakas na atake is the net defense.
Definitely,
So
Rick.
kitang-kita naman on that last sequence. Owarde to Bucal, and yun nga, talagang sinusulit dito ni Bucal ang playing year niya on the side of NCF Tiger with that beautiful down the line hit.
And also, Rick, what is really good about Bucal is he knows where to put the ball.
Yes.
You know? Talking about Bucal, but right now, an error for the Buffaloes.
And of course, nabanggit mo nga kanina dito yung variation ng atake dito ni Bucal because volleyball is a mind game too. Kaya kailangan ditong gamitin yung kanilang utak, sibatin kung saan pwedeng makakuha ng puntos. And timeout was called on the side of Buffaloes. And
talking about that nga, Rick, tama ka na it's a mind game, you know. You need to smart play dito sa volleyball kasi you will never know their action will be. Siyempre, talking about the NCF Tigers, they have the experience.
Yes.
Talagang alam na nila kung paano aatakihin, paano yung play, on how they will execute their plays. Talagang mapapawaw ka na lang when it comes to their offense. But on the side of the CBSUA naman, playing, I'm seeing them playing for the first time. Siyempre, you know that they have the future. But
yes,
on that play, it's a service ace for the NCF Tigers.
And now, 7-point lead ang hawak ng NCF. On deck to serve, we have Bucal. Rico setting up in the middle, hiliran. And that was successful attack on the side of their team. Ayan, kitang-kita na instant replay. The connection though, because these two players coming from the main branch of CBSUA, so they know each other. Bucal receives that one. And another combination play. Again and again, nakita na natin ito sa pagsisimula pa lang nitong ating set number 1. Those combination plays, dapat itong bantayan dito on the side of CBSUA because doon nakakakuha ng magandang atake itong Tigre.
Pinapaulanan dito ng Tigers ang Buffaloes with their combination plays and effective. They have now 7-point lead, but right now Boras, and a point for him from the opposite.
A much needed side out on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes to cut the momentum on the side of Tigers. Boras to serve. Owarde. Miscommunication. The ball is still alive though. Owarde. But pair it with that attack error. So scramble play on the side of NCF on that last sequence.
That's a miscue for the NCF Tigers.
Great opportunity on the side of CBSUA to build momentum. Owarde. Pipe attack.
So the dig from Pasimio again. And yung fun fact here, Rick, on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes, they are siblings, the libero and this now playing as an opposite. They are both Pasimio. We're seeing two Pasimios on the court. But right now, Pamplona will be serving for the Tigers. And the line point for the NCF Tigers. 7-point lead. It's 20-13 in favor of the Tigers.
Pamplona again to serve. What a jump serve. Back-to-back service aces. Kahit sa ating service, kargado pa rin itong NCF Tigers. Again, serving Pamplona. 3 straight aces, Kali.
Another speed at serve from Pamplona. Tatlong sunod na service ace coming from him. And you know, knowing Pamplona, he has a very, very strong offense. And the future of this kid talagang napakaliwanag. It's bright for him. But right now, but doon nagtatapos yung momentum na yon on their side, and it's an error for them. It's 22-14, and we are seeing Perit once again on the court, on the front line rather, now serving Pasimio Elton. And a joust there, but a good for NCF Pamplona on the opposite. And he breaks down the ball. Puntos for the NCF Tigers.
Again, Pamplona, very effective player on the side of NCF. Mapa frontline or nasa backline. Talagang porsyento kung porsyento. But this time, service error on the side of NCF.
As we were talking about earlier nga dito, Rick, kanina pa natin nakikitaan ng service error dito yung NCF Tigers, which is actually yung kanilang, what do you call this, weakness when it comes to volleyball. But bawing-bawi naman sa opensa. But talking about on that play, block coming from the Buffaloes. And it's a point for them. It's 23-16. And I think they need to maximize that. You know, they need to be consistent para at least mahabol dito. And the NCF Tigers, they need to also minimize their errors. But now, Owarde going to Pamplona. Pasimi with that dig. Boras, another dig by Katubig.
Ball is still alive though.
Chance. Now in the middle, puntos for the Buffaloes.
What a great play on that last sequence on the side of CBSUA, taking advantage on that scramble position on the side of NCF. That's why that beautiful quick attack makakabigay ng puntos on their side. Combination! Wow! What a strong attack coming from Bucal. Look at that swing. Grabe, Kelly.
That was Tristan Bucal playing for long years for the NCF Tigers. Wow. What an amazing combination play. But right now, Vida on the opposite, and that's a check ball. Hindi pa tapos ang laban.
Yes.
It's 24-18. No, their attacks are very impressive.
Yes.
You know, we all know that this will be a very exciting match.
One set point save on the side of CBSUA. On deck to serve, we have Vida.
Nero. Warde in the middle, and that ends the first set. Attack coming from the NCF Tigers, and 25-18. Magbabalik po tayo for our second set dito lamang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ako si Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor, kasurog kang kalikasan, Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences,
We are back here sa loob ng NCF covered court for our second set of this match, quarterfinal matchup. It's between the NCF Tigers versus the CBSUA Buffaloes. So yun nga, nakuha na dito ng NCF yung first set. And let's see kung makakabawi ba dito itong CBSUA Buffaloes. Now, set number 2 nagsisimula na. An attack error, too much angle on that cross-court hit coming from Tristan Kapukaw. So, this is a good start on the side of CBSUA Buffaloes. 1-0 on our scoreboard.
Another miscue there for the NCF Tigers. It's a good start, really good start for the Buffaloes. It's 2-0 on the scoreboard. And now Vida with the serve. Uwarde, combination play. Touched by Pamplona now, Katubig. But it's an outside. Puntos for the Buffaloes. A good start once again. It's 3-0 for the Buffaloes right now, but let's hear an update on the side of the NCF Tigers. Zai, take it away.
Maraming salamat.
Again, we are seeing right now it's
Maraming salamat, Kelly and Rick. Napakaganda nga ng first set natin for today's game. Talagang unang sabak pa lang bakbakan na agad ang ating dalawang kupunan. Expected din naman kasi both of these teams have won 3 times so far. Not to mention na maganda din ang lineup ng Tigers ngayon with jersey number 8, Lance Perit, who competed at the PNVF Under-21 fighting for the University of the East. So I think this wouldn't be an easy task for the Buffaloes. But let's see, since it's still too early to predict. Kaya stay tuned lamang here and let's watch as the Tigers slowly unfold their claws. This is Zai from the side of the NCF Tigers. Balik muna sa inyo, Kelly, Rick.
Ayan, thank you so much, Zai, for that information. So yun nga, nabanggit na din nga natin dito kanina yung involvement nitong si Perit on the PNVF Under-21 on the University of the East. Talagang pinakitaan tayo ng pagandang game nitong si Perit, but nakikita natin dito yung magandang simula on the side of CBSUA, but on that last sequence, net touch was called on their side. Isang puntos na lamang dito ang kanilang iniingatan. 4-3 is our score. If you're on the side of CBSUA, talagang ayaw mo na ditong bigyan opportunity itong NCF.
But it's a lifting violation for CBSUA. But right now, pakinggan naman natin ang update on the side of CBSUA Buffaloes. Dylan, ano ang update dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Kelly. At first second pa nga lang ay nag-aapoy na ng ang gigil ng both teams para makapuntos. The CBSUA Buffaloes are serving as a performance inside the court. However, the Buffaloes are committing multiple errors, but the players remained positive and continued to give their 100% energy. Reminder nga ni Coach sa players to strengthen their defense at magkaroon ng presence of mind at huwag bibigyan ng chance ang kalaban na makapuntos. At dahil nga sa multiple errors at kinapos sa puntos ng CBSUA, na ipanalo ng NCF Tigers ang first set for this game. The CBSUA Buffaloes are still positive na sila ay makakabawi at makapagbibigay ng magandang laban sa araw na ito. Yan muna ang update dito sa side ng CBSUA Buffaloes. Back to the panel.
Thank you, Dylan, for that update. Panalo nga ng isang set dito ang NCF Tigers, and what the CBSUA need to do is wag talagang panghinaan ng loob because hindi pa tapos ang laban. Right now, to the opposite, could pick up there, and no one get that ball. Puntos for the Buffaloes. A little miscue on the side of the NCF Tigers. Now Boras ready to serve for the Buffaloes. Kapukaw, service ace coming from Boras. And this is what they need to do to maximize their offense. para malamangan dito ang NCF Tigers. Talking about that service ace coming from Boras. Now, Owarde to the running hit, but a lifting violation called by the referee to Owarde.
So, Owarde
Trying to talk to the
Yes.
referee, but of course, it's always the referee's decision.
and we cannot tell din
Yeah.
kasi on our perspective here,
Yeah, actually,
but the point rewarded on the side of CBSUA. 8-5. Great start for the second set.
Owarde to the middle, deflected. Now, Katubig with the tulog and a net touch violation for the Buffaloes.
CBSUA need to lessen their unforced error here because again, NCF slowly but surely chasing the lead na hawak nila dito. Now Rico setting up, but too strong on that attack coming from Boras. And with that, isang puntos na lamang dito ang kailangang trabahuhin on the side of NCF to tie this matchup. Katubig on deck to serve.
Service ace coming from Katubig. Tie now. We are now tied up with 8-all na kanina ngang lamang ang CBSUA dito with 3 points pero mabilis na naungusan ng NCF ang Buffaloes dito, but let's see on how they will adjust on this. In the middle, take by Katubig, Owarde to Kapukaw.
Great coverage. Rico to Vida. And denied at the net on that last sequence. Let's take a look one more time on our instant replay. Two-man block to stop Vida on getting a point on that attack. Katubig one more time. Rico to Boras.
Another one for Boras. An error attack coming from the back row for him. Wala pang masyadong effective na palo dito si Boras when it comes to the back row. But
Yes.
let's see. Now on the service line, we have Katubig.
And now let's see kung makakabawi dito ang CBSUA. Katubig to serve. Vida. Ball is still alive though.
Now Owarde.
Owarde. Miscommunication, but makakascore pa dito itong NCF.
And a timeout called of CBSUA Buffaloes. It's a lucky point for them, you know. I think this Buffaloes, they need to strengthen their anticipation when it comes to the ball. Kasi actually, it's a free ball.
Yes.
But then again, walang bantay. They let that hole be empty. Kaya naman puntos for the NCF Tigers. As we see on the screen right now.
Now, after this timeout called on the side of CBSUA, what would be the adjustment? Because on the early start of the set number 2, talagang napakaganda ng ipinakita nila. But the table has turned on the side of the NCF Tigers. 11-8 is our score and still Katubig on deck to serve.
Another good serve coming from Katubig. Kanina pa siya dyan.
Yes.
Another amazing serve, and now we are seeing jersey number 2 going inside. It's Milan and Dima Iwat, jersey number 4 out.
So an exchange of players targeting that one, Boras. Ball is still alive. Miscommunication. But nagawa ng paraan dito. Rico setting up Milan. Great dig coming from Kapukaw.
Rico in the middle.
But the point.
They will be calling double contact, I guess, right? Since it's just playing around and the referee, pumito dito yung referee kanina and we're not sure yet about the call, but they will be given the point to the CBSUA Buffalo.
Yes.
I think after that spike, the block, rather, I think 2 touch dito si Perez kanina tinuturo ng ating second referee. Turo ng ating second referee kanina. But, pinabawi dito. And a strong hit coming from Perit.
Yes, Milan is there on the side of CBSUA but cannot contain that powerful attack coming from Perit. And now, Perit on deck to serve on the side of NCF.
Rotational error on the side of the Buffaloes. Puntos. Libreng puntos dito for the NCF Tigers. And it's 14-9. Lead for the NCF Tigers. Perit once again. Over-receive. One hand set. But a joust coming from Vida. And a point for him. Medyo tight yung set na yon coming from Owarde. Hindi nagawa ng paraan ni Kapukaw dito.
And now, CBSUA to serve. Great coverage coming from Milan. Vida this time breaking down the wall on the side of NCF. 2 straight points para dito kay Vida. Wow.
What a clippings coming from Vida. Kitang-kita mo dito, Rick.
Yes.
Sa covered court and how he played inside. Right now, 1-2 play. Now chance, Rico to Vida again. Deflected. Good save. And it's a point and a little bit of stare down coming from Owarde. And with that hand sign coming from him. And they will be calling the team captain. I think they will talk about that earlier. The swag,
Yes.
Coming from Owarde. But, di mawawala talaga yung swag when it comes to playing.
We've seen a lot.
It's a yellow card for Owarde right now.
We've seen a lot of those swags dito sa loob ng court. At yun nga ang sabi dito ng mga players, talagang nadadala sila ng excitement at ng energy dito sa loob ng court. But again, mabibigyan dito si Owarde ng yellow card on the side of their team.
It's just inside the court, but outside they're all friends naman. But on that play, now Rico, miscue, chance, Nero with the set, hulog, and it's a point for NCF Tigers. What a jump set coming from Nero. And I think someone is happy right now watching on the side of the court with that play. Now, Rico going to the open, but that goes straight down to the net. Puntos. Now serving, still Owarde. Bounce with the receive, Rico to the opposite, Vida go ng paraan. Good dig there. Now Kapukaw with that shot. Cut shot coming from Kapukaw. What a player.
Yes. What a beautiful wrist action on that last attack coming from Bucal, finding that zone 4. Rico, one-hand set, setting up the other side of the court. Let's take a look one more time. At yun nga, pasok nga yung setup na yon ni Rico. That's why Pamplona, regalo ang ibibigay on their side. Uwarde on deck to serve. Rico setting up. And the point goes on the side of NCF.
That was out according to the first referee. Kanina pa actually trying to pull that position, but still, bantay sarado dito. Yung jersey number 12 ng CBSUA. Boras with the receive. Rico again with the open. Good coverage. And a hulog there for Rico, and it's a good point for them. 10-point lead for the NCF Tigers. It's 8-point lead rather for the NCF Tigers. But now, on that play, Rico going to the middle. Good save there. Now, chance for the CBSUA. Video will receive. Rico. Combination play. Deflect. Now, Katubi going to Bucal. And it's a block for CBSUA.
Great defense on the net on that last sequence. Look at that. Alam nilang Bucal delivering a strong attack. That's why nabantayan dito ang opensang yon. Babawi ba dito? Another rejection at the net. One more time, but this time Pamplona again is denied. Wow! Back-to-back net defense para dito sa CBSUA.
Back-to-back block coming from jersey number 12 of Buffaloes. Basang-basa dito yung play ng NCF Tigers, and it's 2014, but another one, service ace for the Buffaloes. 5 na lamang ang kalamangan dito ng NCF Tigers. And the Buffaloes need to have another point to at least tight the score. But right now, Oward in the middle. But he saw that hole. It's 21-15 for the NCF Tiger.
No room for error on the side of CBSUA. Boras.
Now,
Ball still alive.
To Katubig. Good save.
Great dolphin dive.
Pamplona, another. Now, Boras, chance. Good save, but no anticipation there coming from Katubig.
Yes.
Nauna na yung posisyon ni Katubig doon. That is why medyo malayo na if hahabulin niya. It's a point for CBSUA Buffaloes. It's 21-16 and Rico will be serving.
Great chase on the side of Buffaloes. Good serve.
Another good block there.
Ball is still alive. Pamplona making sure that last attack talagang makakakuha sila dito ng puntos. But again, I would like to commend the floor defense on the side of CBSUA Buffaloes. Talagang ayaw palapagin dito yung bola. But unfortunately, on that last sequence, using the hand of the blockers, Pamplona successful in that attack.
Talagang iniibabawan dito yung bola. Wow.
Yes.
Now, combination play. And it's an effective one for them. A play. Let's take it on. Look at the replay. Boras on that point. Wow.
So I think combination plays are really effective for both teams.
Yeah.
Wow!
What a spike coming from Katubig. That down the line hit. Iba. Iba yung laro na pinapakita dito ng dalawang kupunan and it's a very exciting match. Let's see, 2 points away to end this set for the NCF Tigers.
Great
Now,
serve,
Dito
jump
with the jump
serve.
set.
Ay, jump set rather.
But it's a long shot for Milan. But the referee will call a check ball.
Yes.
It's 23-18 right now. What a fair play coming
Yes.
from the NCF Tigers.
The game is not yet over on the side of
Yeah.
CBSUA.
Now Uwarde, combination play, and it's for Katubig. It's set point for the NCF Tigers.
Left or right wing, very effective itong si Katubig on that last points para dito sa NCF Tigers. But this time, too strong on that service. Point will be awarded on the side of CBSUA. 1 set point save. No room for error. But speaking of error, service error ang tatapos sa ating set number 2. 2 sets will be going on the side of the NCF Tigers. We will be right back for our third set. Only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ako si Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor, kasurog kang kalikasan, Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
we are back for this quarterfinal matchup between the CBSUA Buffaloes versus the NCF Tigers for our third set. At dalawang set na nga dito ang naipanalo nitong NCF Tigers. So what would be the adjustment and game plan on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes to prolong this match and still this set number 3 kontra NCF Tigers? So if they really want to extend this match, they really need this at this moment. They really need to fight for this set number 3 for them to successfully snatch this set kontra dito sa NCF. Meanwhile, NCF, if they want to straight set this matchup, they need to continuously make those combination plays effective, and at the same time those powerful attack coming from their open and opposite attackers.
Yes, Rick. And as we saw earlier on the second set, both of the teams had contributed good plays when it comes to their offense, and of course the defense of the both teams talagang walang nalalaglag na bola. However, right now, if the NCF Tigers really wanted to snatch this game, I think they need to strengthen more their offense. But right now, let's hear an update on the side of the Buffaloes. We have Dylan. Dylan, ano ang update dyan?
Thank you, Rick and Kelly. Sa pagpasok nga ng second set, dikit na dikit ang laban ng CBSUA Buffaloes at NCF Tigers. The Buffaloes are showing us their skills and talent inside the court, showing us that they are not willing to lose this matchup. Reminders nga sa team ni Coach na they need to relax, enjoy, and give us a performance level at mas lalo pang pagtibayin ang defense at offense for them to secure a point. Ayon pa nga kay Coach, iwasan ang errors at ang goal nila for this set ay makabawi. At sa second set nga ay kinapos pa rin ang CBSUA Buffaloes. Makakabawi pa kaya ang CBA Buffaloes o maiuwi na ng NCF Tigers ang panalo for this matchup? Yan ang aabangan natin dito lang sa Oragon Sports TV Liga ng mga kampiyon. Once again, I am Dylan Talagtag, your courtside reporter. Back to the panel.
And thank you so much, Dylan, for that update. So yun nga, CBSUA fell short on the 2 sets. But this time, nasa third set na po tayo, and let's see kung may change of momentum ba para dito sa side ng CBSUA Buffaloes and winning this third set to prolong this match against the NCF Tigers. So I'm so excited for these both teams. Again, naabangan natin dito ang palitan ng mga malakas na atake between the players of CBSUA Buffaloes versus the NCF Tigers. And on the other side of things, to hear an update sa side ng NCF, let's call our courtside reporter, Zai. Hi Zai, anong balita dyan?
Hello, Rick and Kelly. Now hopping on the third set. Things are looking so good sa side ng Tigers with 2 sets on their favor. They just need another win to ensure today's victory. However, one of my observations here sa side ng Tigers is that their movements are a little rushed but lacks uncertainty. Especially during moments na nag-a-apply ng pressure ang kanilang opponent. They can be a little out of touch sa kanilang gameplay. But aside from that, their decoy play is as impressive as always. What they do need is a few touch-ups and refinement. That's all the updates I have for now from the side of the Tigers. This is the third quarter. Balik sa inyo, Kelly and Rick.
Thank you so much, Zai. It was an impressive decoy plays for the NCF Tigers. And if they will maximize that, of course, they can snatch easily the game against the Buffaloes. But on that recent play, it's a point for the NCF Tigers. And we are seeing Libero from the NCF new face right now.
Ball is still alive. Powerful on that cross-court hit coming from the side of NCF. 2 straight points on the side of their team. Great start para dito sa NCF. Now, what will be the answer on the side of CBSUA Buffaloes to get their first point dito sa ating third set?
4 touches will be called for the Buffaloes and a strong start for the NCF Tigers. It's 3-0 on the scoreboard right now. And now serving Owarde. Good receive there in the middle. And he saw that donut hole. Puntos for the Buffalo. It's 3-1.
Yan sinasabi ko dito, Kelly, on volleyball games. Talagang, hindi lang ito about sa powerful attack coming from the players. It's all about finding spots on both ends. Talagang doon nagkakatalo para din sa lawang kupunan. And now on that last sequence, an attack error on the side of NCF. And with that, 1 point away ang ating CBSUA to tie this match up.
And it's actually true, Rick, that, you know, hindi lang naman to palakasan talaga ng palo. It's all about how you smart play. However, on that recent play coming from the NCF Tigers, and of course, syempre, Rick, nais naman natin pasalamatan ang ating mga viewers sa ating official Facebook page. We have Hans Tyron Manaloto, also Wena Saira Tresvalles, and as well as Janaila. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. At syempre, sa ating mga live viewers dito sa covered court, we have Washile Padilla, JV Lutakit, and of course, on that recent play, puntos for the CBSUA Buffalo. Now serving for the Buffalo. Service ace! And guess what, Rick? We are now tied. It's 4-all.
Great serve para dito kay Heliran. One more time for him.
Still on the service line. But that ends the momentum. It's 5-4 in favor of the NCF Tigers.
So a closed set number 3 for these both teams.
A miscue there for the Buffaloes. Nagagawan dito si Milan at ang kanilang libero.
NCF the serve.
Another good serve. Now chance. Owarde. Deflected, but still a point for the NCF Tigers.
Good serve on the side of NCF and poor reception on the side of the CBSUA. Rico setting up, pero payong na payong dito ni Pamplona and Perry. Two tall players joining that block. Let's take a look one more time for that instant tripe. No room for no entry, I mean, on the side of the CBSUA on that serve.
Now Rico in the middle, and an effective one for Boras. No, we are seeing right now Rosales inside the court. Their second stringer. And Boras, the lookalike actually. Wow, what a play coming from Perit.
And of course, Kelly, let's give credit to the beautiful first ball coming from the Borja on the side of NCF. And that beautiful combination, or rather quick.
And now, Rick, on the side of the NCF Tigers, we are seeing full second stringers. Si Perit na lang ang natitirang seniors dito. And let's see on how they'll be able to manage. Jump serve. Now Rico with the jump set. Milan, the soft touch. Good dig there by Boras. Hulog, and it's a good point for Vida. We have 9-6 on the scoreboard.
Nice drop coming from Vida, finding that donut hole on the side of NCF. Now,
miscue.
Yes.
Rico in the middle.
Great quick hit coming from the CBSUA side. Ayan, syempre, mag-shoutout tayo sa ating mga live viewers. Shoutout po kay Champoy Palmero, kay Romeo Boado, kay Jeric B. Ginoo, kay Riri Rigaspi, JJ Son Dechoso, at kay Carmelo Grabata. Thank you so much and happy watching.
Now, Perit goes straight on the shoulder of Kenneth Pasimio. What a play as we look on the replay. And now, jersey number 9 for the NCF Tigers, Rosales will be serving. Vida with it over, but a regalo coming from Perit, over received by Vida. It's 11-8 on the scoreboard, and Rosales service ace for the NCF Tigers. Kang walang masyadong magandang communication dito yung Buffaloes. That is why nalalamangan sila dito ng NCF Tigers. But on that, it's a service out for him.
Jersey number 12 on deck to serve on the side of CBSUA Buffaloes. Too strong. Service error. Back-to-back service error for both teams. Hindi ito nakakatulong para madagdagan dito ang puntos ng dalawang kupunan ng Perit on deck to serve. Rico setting up Vida, combination play. Andun yung libero. Ball still alive. Free ball will be given on the side of the Tigers. And now, too strong on that quick hit coming from jersey number 4 on the side of Tigers. And with that, 3 points ang kailangang trabuhin on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes here to tie this matchup para dito sa ating laro. Free ball on the side of NCF. (14-10) is our score, and with that, mapapatawag dito ng timeout ang CBSUA Buffaloes. Because again, medyo nagkakaroon na naman dito ng malaking kalamangan ang side ng NCF. Ayan. Let's take a look on our highlights para sa larong ito for these both teams. Ayan, thank you so much again sa lahat ng mga nakatutok sa atin live na live sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. At maya-maya po abangan natin ang semifinals round on the women's division para sa Bucal Season 6 Volleyball. It's between the Pamukid National High School versus the UNC Greyhounds. So abangan natin mamaya.
A lifting violation will be called to Rico.
Great serve this time. Rico in the middle, and Hiliran will get that one. Let's take a look one more time for our instant replay. Powerful quick hit coming from Hiliran. Rico on deck to serve. Nice serve.
Chance.
Free ball. Combination play and smart move coming from Boras, using the hands of the blocker on that last sequence to get a point. What a smart move coming from Boras.
I think they need to maximize that para at least to tight the score. It's 15-12, but with that 1-2 play, now chance. Good save. But it goes straight to the antenna. Puntos for the NCF Tigers. Apat na naman po ang kalamangan dito. And now ready to serve for the NCF Tiger jersey, number 17.
Vida receives that one.
And a block coming from the NCF Tigers. No coverage there for the Buffaloes. And I think ito yung pinoproblema nila kanina pa. No coverage. They don't anticipate on the ball. Kaya naman mabilis na bumababa yung bola. Mabilis rin ang puntos for the Tigers. But on that serve, it's an error. Libreng puntos for the Buffaloes.
And Milan successful in that attack.
What a play coming from Milan. Actually, they are rattling in
Yes.
front of the court. However, because of the adrenaline, Milan were able to put a score on their side. Right now, leading on the serve. Would receive the open with an elevation there. And it goes straight to the line of the NCF Tigers. I think it was played coming from Rosales.
Good eye para kay Rosales, finding that end line. Rico, back set to Milan, soft touch.
Net touch.
Yes, Kelly, net touch will be called on the side of the NCF Tigers.
It's 18-15. Tatlo na lamang ang kalamangan dito ng Tigers. And now Boras will be serving. And a running hit coming from Perit.
Again, another perfect first ball. That's why naka-execute ng quick play itong NCF. Kudos sa libero ng NCF on that beautiful reception.
That's how good the plays of the NCF Tigers, magandang receive, magandang pasa sa setter, magandang set at magandang pasa sa spiker. And they need to maximize that one. And another point for the NCF Tiger after that emphatic serve coming from jersey number 6 of the NCF Tigers. And still, he will be serving for another point. Let's see. Jump serve. Another service ace coming from jersey number 6. At ito yung pinaproblema kanina pa ng CBSUA. No receive at all for them.
But this
right
time,
now,
better first ball. And with that better first ball, Vida successful on breaking the wall on the side of NCF. Let's take a look one more time for that instant replay. Wow, kanina po mo pa nababanggit dito yung clippings ni Vida because as we can see, hindi naman kataasan na player itong si Vida, but again, with that beautiful clipping, successful ang mga attacking yon ni Vida. But this time, Perit was there to block that attack coming from him.
Binawi agad dito, Rick. Yung palo na yon, yung block na yon coming from the spike kanina of Vida. But now, Vida once again deflect, but it's a point. Binawian rin ni Vida dito to have a point. It's 22-17. Still in favor of the NCF Tigers. And it's an outside libreng puntos once again for the NCF Tigers. And now Gerald will be serving. Jump serve once again. Boras with the receive. Rico to the opposite. Vida. And check. It's an outside hit. It's a check ball for Vida. Puntos for the CBSUA Buffaloes. Hindi pa tapos ang laban. It's 23-18. Let's see on how the Buffaloes will adjust on this. Deborah with the receive. Combination play, and with the help of the net, a good point, and now they are on the match point.
Yes.
For this game.
And now NCF serving that one for our match point. Rico setting up. Boras finding that hole on the side of NCF. One match point save on the side of the CBSUA. Again, napakaganda ng inilaro dito ng players
Both
ng CBSUA Buffaloes. And for sure, marami ditong i-highlights ang kanilang kupunan because of their performance dito ngayon sa araw na ito. And maraming nagpapakilala para dito sa side ng CBSUA. But that's the end of our game with that quick hit. Congratulations sa NCF Tigers for winning this one with 3 straight sets kontra CBSUA Buffaloes. But again, nothing to be ashamed on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes because
They
napakaganda
did well.
They did well. Binigyan tayo dito ng napakagandang exchange, ng napakalalakas na spikes. Konting push pa, and I'm sure malayo ang mararating.
Is bright.
Nitong ating CBSUA Buffaloes. And of course, a win is a win on the side of NCF Tigers. Congratulations for these both teams. Don't go away because when we come back, makikilala natin ang ating best player of the game only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ako si Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor, kasurog kang kalikasan, Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
At the heart of every dreamer lies the future of limitless possibilities.
At Naga College Foundation, we understand the journey. With proper guidance, inclusive community, and state-of-the-art facilities, your dreams can become a reality. We are a training ground for future innovators, where quality education continues to thrive and service meets excellence. We develop students for more than a career. We equip them with the right skills and attitude to leap into a future of limitless possibilities. Your future is waiting. All you have to do is to begin. Meet your future self and choose NCF.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our students learn hands-on with industry-standard software. Our program also offers high-quality facility. Discover your path to success in accountancy and finance at Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Be a certified CAF Tiger.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Science.
Our best player of the game is presented by Naga College Foundation, the home of the champion, Lip into the future. And of course, Lemon Residences, live your dreams, create memories. And joining with me right now, of course, the best player of the game from the NCF Tigers, we have jersey number 19, Edmark Pamplona, with 12 points, 8 kills, 1 block, 3 service aces, and 1 excellent digs. Congratulations! And how does it feel that lagpasan nyo yung quarterfinals with a win and pasok na kayo sa semifinals with 1 loss?
Sobrang happy po na nakapasok kami sa semifinals, and mas gagalingan po namin sa mga masusunod pang mga araw, and pag-iigihan namin na makapasok sa finals. Yan lang po.
And also, with that straight set, ano yung naging motivation nyo, ano yung naging puhunan nyo para maipanalo ng straight set, considering that hindi madali yung naging laro nyo against the CBSUA Buffalo?
Yung kataluhan namin, yun yung nagbigay motivation sa amin na mag-angat pa, na dito na lang kami, dapat aangatan pa namin dalo. Yan lang po.
And also, ano yung mga magiging preparation nyo going into the semifinals, probably next week?
Conditioning muna po, kailangan po masyadong hiringal yung ibang mga players and malakas pa po, sing game pa, lakas pa.
May gusto ka bang batiin?
Shoutout po sa pamilya ko sa San Fernando and shoutout po sa girlfriend ko na si Maria Cristela Rodriguez and shoutout po sa NCF community, yun lang po.
Maraming salamat. And again, our best player of the game, we have jersey number 19, Edmark Pamplona with 12 points, 8 kills, 1 block, 3 service aces, and of course 1 excellent digs. He is our best player of the game and congratulations. At mamaya nga lamang makikilala na rin natin ang susunod na maglalaro dito lamang yan sa Bucal Men's and Women's Volleyball. Only here on GNN TV 48 Naga at Oragon Sports TV Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And there you have it. Congratulations to Naga College Foundation for winning this match against the CBSUA Buffaloes. And of course, kudos sa ating best player of the games, Pamplona, on giving us a great volleyball experience for this afternoon. Again, tunghayin natin iba't ibang games pa dito sa ating live coverage. My name is Rick Puerta.
And I am Kelly Francisco. Patuloy lamang po tayong tumutok para sa more actions only here on GNN TV 48 Naga at Oragon Sports TV Liga ng mga Kampiyon.